What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are starting the day at my house. We are going to be a bit all over the place today, but this morning we got the forms stripped off of this new slab and I am very happy with how it came out. There are a few imperfections over here where I got a bit excited yesterday and walked on it quicker than I should have, but luckily this is my house and not a customer, so I can live with it. But we're getting ready to saw cut it. We're going to saw cut straight down the middle here and then straight across the middle there. Basically cut it into 4 sections. I don't think this will ever crack or anything, but better to be safe than sorry. Well, we're going to saw cut this and then we are going to get out of here. We have to go down to the county that we usually work on and check on all of the jobs down there. Plus I have a few other random things to take care of today.
Io non vedo nada.
All right, you ready?
We do?
You ready? Alright guys, we are back here at this big remodel job that we've been on for the past couple months, and I can't tell you the last time I made a video here, but all of the siding is complete. It is vinyl all around except for the front here on the porch, and the top section there is getting stucco, which is why it is just house wrapped. But the front porch has metal siding on it. Here it's like tingy, but looks super nice here. Black windows, black doors, all installed. The deck, all the trucks is complete. I know I made a video dropping off trucks here, but moving on inside the first floor, not much has really changed in here. They're about to come down and start sheetrocking it. The second floor is pretty much done. I'll just walk you through it real quick and show you everything. Start over here with the bathroom. So need a couple more pieces to go up in here. A little laundry room here. There is one piece going on here, but we have the vent. So we need to get that before we throw the sheetrock on. Bedroom over here, all complete. It's coming out very nice. Master, we come in here. This took some time because of the tall ceiling in here. Obviously that's going to slow you down a bit, but it does look very nice. Come in here, all complete. This is a closet that we're in. Come around here. Actually, is that a closet? What is this room? This might be an office off of the master. That's what this is, I believe. I think this is an office. I think they're going to be using it as an office. This room back here is one closet, and then the second closet. I know it's a bit dark in here, but camera should be picking it up. All sheetrock, little linen closet here at the end of this hallway, and then the bathroom. So if you're wondering why there's only Durarock in the shower and sheetrock on the ceiling, is because the rest of this bathroom, including the other side of that wall in the master, are all getting smooth plywood on it. So it'll be a very nice look. The upper section in here, this is just a little toilet closet, but plywood is going on the walls in here as well. I believe it's plywood. It might be some sort of decorative wood, but I'm not exactly sure. I know it is getting wood. I was assuming it was smooth sanded plywood like we did at a previous job, but I could be wrong there, so don't quote me on it. But this job is coming together very nice. We just loaded some extra materials on the top of my truck down there that are going up to our Dutchess yard with me, but I have to run to our shop and take care of some stuff there. We also have some materials buried that I need to dig out, so I'm gonna head over there and then we're gonna end the day up at our Dutchess yard. All right guys, so I just pulled up to the Aquabot store. I have this power supply controller that is for our Aquabot at our Dutchess yard in our pool, and we had a power surge and this thing no longer works. We also lost 2 of our Nest thermostats to that power surge, so I'm gonna go drop it off inside. Hopefully they can repair it, otherwise we're probably gonna have to buy a new one. But I really have no idea. The power surge kind of screwed up quite a bit. But anyway, let me go drop this off, see what they have to say, and then we are heading up to our Dutchess yard. All right guys, so unfortunately we had to buy another one, but we ended up going with a used one. This one is completely fried, doesn't work at all. There's no repair that can be made to it. This used one goes for $199 plus tax. A brand new one goes for $399 plus tax, and they come with the same exact warranty, 1-year warranty. So it makes no sense really to buy a new one. The only reason this thing died on us was because we had a power surge, and that's kind of super random. Didn't really make sense. So definitely not worth buying a brand new one, but bring this, drop it off at our Dutchess yard along with the material that I have on the top of my truck. All right guys, I just pulled up to our Dutchess yard and it is actually the next morning now. I did not come here yesterday because I had to come here this morning anyway. I'm grabbing the trailer out of the garage that has all of the sheetrock on it and bringing it up to the new job site with me today. We have to put 5/8 sheetrock in that garage anyway, so we're going to burn it up there. But I have to unload these boxes of metal. These are siding, and this is like a J-channel in here. But I'm gonna put them in storage. I want to show you guys this real quick. The pickleball court, if you've seen any of my videos about this, is starting to come along. These guys are here pretty much, well, it's one guy, but he's here pretty much every day for probably like 4 hours or so, getting this thing all coated. He started with this, like, it was kind of like a self-leveling paint, and the whole court was black originally, and he would pour a little bit and let it kind of level out, and then kind of see where it was puddling up and whatnot. And eventually he was happy with how level it was and started getting the color down, but you can tell the lines here are not perfectly straight. So this is just like, actually I think this is second coat. I believe he did the first coat on Friday, or yeah, Friday, second coat yesterday, and then he should be back today to possibly third coat it and maybe put the stripes on here. I'm not exactly positive what his plan is, but this thing is starting to come together very nice. But I'm just gonna unload my truck, and then I'm grabbing the sheetrock on the trailer, and that's going to be a whole nother video. So that's going to wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.